Hello, my name is Oliver and today I want to talk about the Sony BC-DC-X2. That's this wonderful device here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a COO, CFO and a firefighter living in Switzerland. And if you own a ZV-1 camera from Sony, you know that issue with those wonderful batteries. They have 1240 milliamps. That's nothing. So 4K footage, recording time, probably 1 hour, if you're lucky. When I first got a conversation with Alex, one of the guys from the PTYA class, he was telling me, hey, you need to get more batteries. And he got third-party batteries and has a nice charger with that. So in my case, I was already being sold on this wonderful device. As you can see here, battery fits inside and you have a micro USB on the other hand. So that is an easy solution to charge it on the go and you have a case for the battery at the same time. So I saw that on Sync Media first and it is really helping me. I was even thinking about getting another one of those, or maybe an external charger like Alex is having it. For me, that's the perfect solution on the go. That's the perfect solution for at home as well. And for the future, yes, I plan to get an extra charger for the batteries. But for the moment right now, I'm quite happy with these ones. It actually costs you only like 15 francs extra if you buy it in a pack, battery including the charger. Which is, I think, a nice deal to have the Sony ones, especially if you value your warranty a little higher or you're concerned that Sony might have any issues and will claim that there was different batteries inside if any mishap is occurring. This is one part. The second part is the cable for this one is included. That's nice. If you need anything else, just let me know, hit me down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content regarding the tech I'm using and the camera equipment, just subscribe to the channel and more infos is about to come. Have a great one and see you.